Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Wilson Pickett. And the song that we are going to react to is Land of Thousand Dances. This is a first time single take honest reaction to this Patreon request. I'm in a very good mood. I've listening to good music so far. It hasn't been bad during this recording session. And it's always nice to listen to good music whenever we do our reactions. There are certain days when negative songs after negative songs keep coming up, and that's when the trouble begins, and not just for us but also the people who are there to promote that particular reaction, the label workers. For them the trouble comes when we release those or publish those videos, because they expected it to be something mind-blowing reaction from both of us, but it does not happen all the time. Nobody can guarantee what a reaction of a person would be,
especially when they are always honest and sincere. Yeah, with other reactors you can more or less predict, no matter what the song, the reaction is going to be the same, fake and exaggerated. But with us, it's unpredictable. It's based on the song, it's based on the vibe, in the moment, how we feel about the song, the music, the vocals, the lyrics, a combination of all three depending what all is there in the song. Who knows? And that's the magic of being on Inoma. You won't get this kind of magic and mystical experience anywhere else on YouTube, because no one is as sincere, honest and spontaneous as we are. We are unpredictable, and that's the magic and the mystery of being on a channel like us. And that's why even though this platform does not support honesty in any way, especially not reactors like us, we get a lot of support from patrons and subscribers, because we are unpredictable.
Connect with us.
Hence, if you enjoy unbiased reactions, honest reactions like the ones we make, you'll always find something interesting on an Inoma video. Always find something.
And we only make reaction videos, unlike most other channels which start making vlogs and this and that. So far we haven't ventured any of that. We keep it plain, simple reaction videos. That's what we like to do. We do not like experimenting too much.
But as counselors, we can't pretend to be doctors.
No.
So we have learnt it the right way all along. As counselors, we can't pretend to be doctors or surgeons. As teachers, we can't pretend to be marketing people or salesmen. As life coaches, we can't pretend to be sports coaches. So we always keep it based on our speciality, on our area of expertise. Similarly, in reaction videos, we focus on our work as reactors, whether it's our introductions like these ones, or our conclusions, our reviews, our expressions. Everything is based on the reaction video. On that particular reaction video, what we deem fit in the spur of the moment. It is not written down, it's not scripted that, we'll talk about these things today or that things tomorrow. No, we are not those kind of people. No, we don't have an agenda. We are not political. If the song is that way, or if certain parts of the song touch us in a particular way, yes, then we get into it. We discuss it openly, honestly, and the way we deem fit. Because it's our personal reputation, it's our personal review, it's our honesty on the line. So we don't beat around the bush in those cases. And we are not scared of anyone. The beauty of Inoma is we are easygoing native outsiders making assessments. We are totally unafraid of this platform, its owners and anyone else on it, or for that matter anywhere else out there. We are not afraid of the deadly coronavirus, neither are we afraid of violent protesters. We do our best to make sure we are safe. Prevention is the best form of cure. Preparation is better than failing tomorrow. We believe in that. Failing to prepare is preparing to fail. But over and above all that, we live in the now. Having said that, land of thousand dances.
Where is this land?
I'm expecting a lot of miracles, a lot of wonder in this song. Land of thousand dances. Oh, I'm ready to be amazed. I'll be thoroughly disappointed with this song, with a title like that, if it does not live through to the title and does not give me substance in there, I'm going to be disappointed. Wilson
And
Pickett,
1,000.
I believe we've
Dances.
definitely heard him before. Let's get started. But not this song.
One, two, three. One, two, three. All right. Got to know how to hold it. Like on him Maroney. Mashed potato. Do the alligator. Put your hand on your hips, yeah. Let your backbone slip. Do the 1, 2, say. Like my little Lucy. Na 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 na.
Oh,
Na 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 na. Need somebody to help me say it one time. You know I feel all right. Huh. Feel pretty good, y'all. Huh. Na 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 na. Come on, y'all. Let's say it one more time. Long tall Sally, twisting with Lucy, doing the 1, 2, say. Roll over on your back. I like it like that. Do that jerk. Watch me work, y'all. I'll do it. I'll do it. Help me do it. I'll help me.
full time over.
I didn't talk about the land of the 1,000 dances, but so energetic, so bubbly, so full of energy, gives all those different dance moves. Yeah, we can count it as 1,000 steps. Enjoyable. I love his voice, I love his energy, I love all that was going on. And it seemed like a live audio because at the end there was an applause, if I heard it correctly.
That was the school bell, right?
Okay, school, end of school?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
School's
Or maybe
out
recess.
for summer.
This na 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 na. Is it the same na 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 which is so popular? I've heard it.
No. But this was a good rock and roll song.
Yeah, I've heard this na 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 in I don't know where all, but it's common. It's popular. This the entire hook is popular, and I didn't know this is the song. This is the song, Land of 1,000 Dances. I didn't know this, but I've heard that hook for sure, and not just once. It's like normal thing. The moment it came, I know how it goes. So it is that common. But I didn't really know the name of the song or the artist. Nobody. Luckily, we got this song to react to. And as Savio said, will it live true to the title of the song? I think it did. It does make you move. It does make you feel good. It does make you enjoy the music and make you feel like dancing. This recent song that came, which became kind of very big, of this young artist. Do you remember? Give me vape, na 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 na. Na, 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 na. I don't remember this guy. I don't know why, because I didn't pay attention at that time. I was very busy in life, but I would hear this song almost at every party, every event, everywhere. This was playing. Na 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 na. I just can't get it. I don't remember, but that song I would say is kind of inspired by this song, or if there's something even before this, I don't know. But that also, you know, he tells people to do the steps, and it became very popular even in Mumbai. That was
This
2017, I
song,
think.
this artist must have been a great influence on plenty of rock stars and plenty of rock bands that came later. Because this kind of music, this arrangement, this style of singing is very, very common. You're just talking about the na na na. I'll say everything: the arrangement of the music, the style, the energy.
It is.
It's inspirational to so many other artists, which probably came much later. I think this is from the 60s, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it sounds right.
Wow, this is phenomenal. That's it for this one. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about us. A totally enjoyable song, Land of Thousand Dances. It's time to dance.